Today we talk about how can you find your custom crypto alerts on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Robinhood app. All you have to do, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications and messages. Then come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you come here to custom crypto alerts, click on it. Then here it's going to take you to this list. I have nothing, but if you have it, can you find it in this list? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.